Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the status access violation error message you're experiencing on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in Chrome, go ahead and select on the left side where it says Open File Location. And now you want to go and right click on this shortcut and select where it says open file location. And now that we have this application file in here, it should be the executable. You want to go ahead and right click on it. Should say Chrome, by the way. And you want to rename it. So you want to go to this option here. It says rename. So go ahead and left click on it after you right click on it. And you want to just delete the E on the end. So just call it Chrome, C-R-O-M. You can name it something else if you want, but just remove the one letter on the end of it. And then type .exe at the end, so .exe, hit enter. Now that you've done that, if you close out of here and attempt to open up Chrome once again, it should work fine. So again, pretty straightforward process on that. If you want to open up the file location, and you see the shortcut is in here. You can also attempt to reinstall the Chrome browser as well, and if you're using the account sync feature in Google Chrome, if you sign back into the browser, it should reinstall all of your extensions. So again, that's something else you guys can try, but pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.